Mama, what are you going to do?
Right.
Write what? Your name? Okay, show me how you do it. You missed a letter. Oh, you missed a couple of letters. Write it again right here and show me. Write that name right there. M-E L-A-N-I-E. Melanie. Very good.